Hi, welcome to 35 Lakeland Drive. I'm your host, Dr. Carly York with Resources Real Estate, and this is your open house recap. This home is situated on a lovely quiet street with a beautiful front porch, perfect for enjoying the neighborhood. It features a light and bright office area, perfect for anyone who may need to work from home. A large eat-in kitchen is at the heart of this open floor plan. The kitchen opens up to a formal dining room and a formal living room, all on the main floor of this lovely home. The formal living room is easily accessible to the kitchen and has gorgeous sliding doors out to the pool and backyard. The luxurious master suite features sliding doors out to its own private patio and an ensuite bathroom, as well as generous closet space. There are 3 additional bedrooms on the main level of the house, each with hardwood floors and generous closet space. The main level of the house also features a second updated bathroom. There is a second-story great room, perfect for entertaining and hosting your friends. This room has its own heating and air conditioning. The fully fenced-in backyard oasis features an in-ground pool, a fire pit, and elevated deck for entertaining. If you would like more information about this or any other Middletown property, please call me, Dr. Carly York, with Resources Real Estate at 732-212-0440.